Disaster just struck your tomato garden. Heavy rains, flooding, mud everywhere. Now you're staring at your once beautiful tomato plants, wilted, yellowing, and possibly rotting. But wait, don't panic yet, you can still save them, if you act fast. Before we dive in, tell us, where are you watching from and how much rain have you had recently? Drop it in the comments and hit that like button if your tomatoes are your babies too. First things first, check for standing water. Tomatoes hate wet feet. If water is pooling around your roots, dig small trenches or channels to drain it away immediately. No oxygen equals sign root rot. Don't wait for leaves to yellow. That's a sign the roots are already drowning. Next, give your tomatoes air. Prune off lower leaves that are touching the wet soil. This stops fungal infections dead in their tracks. And if possible, shake off excess water gently from leaves, especially early in the morning. Now it's time to defend. After heavy rain, fungal diseases love to party. Mix up a simple homemade spray. 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, crushed garlic, optional for extra punch. Spray early in the morning. This creates a hostile environment for powdery mildew and blight. Once things dry up, feed your plants to help them bounce back. Use a liquid fertilizer high in potassium and phosphorus. This supports fruit development and strengthens weak stems. Avoid too much nitrogen or you'll just get leaves, not juicy tomatoes. If your fruits split after rain, don't worry, it's common. Harvest cracked ones early to prevent rot and use them quickly. And remember, mulching before the rains helps control water absorption in the future. Rain can be a blessing or a curse for tomato growers, but with the right hacks, you'll bounce back even stronger. Comment below where you're watching from and whether your tomatoes survived the rains. And if this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and share with a fellow grower who needs to hear this today. Mankirakacha TV take-home message: tomato plants can't swim, but smart farmers can make sure they don't drown. Don't react late, respond smart.